This is going to be a remake video of the Holmes box fan from the mid-90s. It's a 2-speed. And I got this fan back in summer of 2011 at the house that had the two Concord footprint vent fans. Here's the back. It was listed 80 mg E90358. I don't want to read all of it because I don't want to increase the video length. Okay, I'll turn it on now. Let's push some good air, by the way. Spin down time is really good too. When I first got it, the spin down time was quite short, and then until around the Christmas Advent month, the same year I got it, I oiled it. I'll show you the startup noise. But anyway, hope you enjoy. Bye.